environment friendly, free from pollution. As on today, if you see one thing, because of COVID, there are some positive points also. Pollution totally controlled, excellent rainfall this year. Apart from negative points, these are all positive points. If you can transform all vehicles into electrical vehicles, you can see pollution. You can, earlier, I started power sector reforms, regulatory commission, and also 3 companies, generation companies, distribution companies, transmission companies like that. That is how I handled. Again, recently I started solar, wind energy, non-conventional energy. Today I am telling you, every farmer will become producer of energy. If you can provide him excellent pump set, even 30%, 40% more, is having abundant place. You can use daytime, what all power he needs. Remaining power, you will send it to grid. Once in India, 50% we used to calculate transmission losses only in agriculture or total agriculture consumption, which is not true. We have gone for energy auditing. Today, technology is there. Microgrid, local consumption, local generation, grid management during night times, if you can integrate through computerization, then that is the beauty of things you can understand. Even farmer will get money. Not only is getting free power, he will get money, surplus power he will generate without any investment. We will give that money government, and also in course of time, he will get all the benefits. He will get some money also in return. Every farmer will get 10,000 or 20,000 rupees additional income in his village. Transmission losses. With great difficulty in India, we are number 1. With great difficulty, we are done around 9%. In developed countries are doing, Japan, Korea like that, 4 to 5%. If you can go for this, it will be 1 or 2%. That means locally you are generating power. There won't be any transmission losses or distribution losses. Straight away you can give it to home. And also there is a power, you have to understand this, all of us. Even we can, all our vehicles, tractors, scooters, local industries, everything we can connect. That is the reality that is going to happen. I'm very happy you have to imagine this type of form, these things. We had a new state. If you see how I handled crisis, immediately I became chief minister. Immediately we had a hudhud in Visakhapatnam, very badly devastated. Then I rushed to the spot the same day. I was there 8 days. I planned meticulously. I avoided maximum casualties, but I cannot stop cyclone, but damage will be less, and at the same time, within 8 days, I brought normalcy. Today, people are measuring pre-hudhud, post-hudhud Visakhapatnam. We have reformed total Visakhapatnam. Greenery, roads, infrastructure, underground cable for power, everything we have done. Here I wanted to explain to you one thing, our Amaravati. In India, all cities we are doing, it is only a brownfield cities or some townships. Hyderabad is a brownfield city in development. We had Hyderabad, Secunderabad. I added one more city, that is Cyberabad. In Amaravati, it is a green field. In recent times, if you see, Some of the cities, even Mumbai, even Hyderabad, even Chennai had some emergency. Because of we had some problems, drainage, sewerage, how to flood water discharge, all these things. I created one of the best planning underground, everything, sewerage water, flood water, and also ground drainage water, even ICT, gas, power, ultimately air condition also, district cooling. We are all having independent units. If you go for district cooling, cost effective. This is how efficiency levels are very high. This is how we created. One example I'm giving you opportunities in crisis. I wanted to reach every home with IT or technology. I want to go for digging in a big way cable. It will take so much of time. So I innovated one interesting thing with brainstorming. Existing electrical poles, I had taken fiber. Along with that, within 1 year, I'm able to reach. This is the first of its kind in the world, that type of technology we innovated. This is where fiber grid has come. You are aware, when I was CM for combined state, I want to talk to my son who was studying in America. I was afraid. At that time, call cost so much of money, thousands. If I use liberally, then my opposition party will criticize me. Even China at that time, they used to go for cell phones. Then I fought with successful governments, UF, NDA, Vajpayee, everybody. Finally, I was co-chairperson for deregulation of telecommunication sector committee. That is how we gave report. Today you are seeing. Once we had very bad roads. I visited Malaysia, small country, 2 crore population, excellent roads. That is how we brought reforms in infrastructure. That is how Golden Quadrilateral Road has come. Without investment, money we have invested, users are paying. So many advantages we are able to do. Here I wanted to tell you one thing. There are problems at scale still persist. I'm not giving you a rosy picture for you. Even if you can go to villages or some parts of the country, hunger, malnutrition, access to potable water, income disparities, and also IT disparities. Earlier, we used to measure literate, illiterate. Today, we have to measure IT literate and also IT illiterate also. Some people may not have that advantage, then automatically they will have a problem. I am giving you these 2 challenges for you, you think over. One is technologies available all over the world. If you can use it, IoT, everything, then you can imagine anything you can plan, how you can plan, that is one. Second one, if you see here, linking of rivers. This is my dream from the beginning. Godavari, Krishna, we have to link. Go for micro irrigation. And at the same time, go for zero budget natural farm. No fertilizer, no pesticide. You can do that. We have done. Even best innovations in the world, top 10, one is that. That is the ecosystem we are able to create. If you do all these things, you can imagine now. If you have natural food, if you have excellent air, then your life expectancy as on today, India, 71 years. But healthy life expectancy is only 59 years. As long as we live, we must be very happy. This is the future all of you has to prepare. And also, what I wanted to request all of you, for all these things, leadership is important. Execute meticulously. Be the driver of change. Every night before you go to sleep, think, have I done something that will change the India for 2050? The sleepless nights that would follow will make you a change leader. Do not fear failure. Take calculated risks and move forward. Not getting the right job, losing the job, or business failure is no more a taboo in India. Let me tell you that your dharma in a digital life must be to care about values. With empathy as your value and clear vision in your mind, nothing can deter you from a focused execution in pursuance of your goals. Finally, I am giving you 3 takeaways for you. Imagine IT and tools available for you. And imagine non-conventional energy. And upgrade your skills continuously. Most of us have something that we wanted to achieve. It is hence very important for you to adjust your mindset, adopt the latest technology and tools available to you, and use as well as promote non-conventional forms of energy. Finally, keep upgrading yourself with the competencies and skills for moving forward. Having a vision provides a sense of purpose and direction. Vision is the act or power which gives direction to our life to make our goals and dreams a reality. Make sure to create a win-win situation where our country and your environment go hand in hand. Create a vision for yourselves, pursue it with a mega mindset, and execute meticulously. You will emerge as a transformation leader. You are having an advantage. Plan macro level, execute micro level, review macro level. This is possible now. Never in the, even scaling you want to do, you can go scaling regionally, locally, globally. That is where leadership lies. I wanted to tell all of you, as you travel with me to 2050, I prepared vision document for Andhra Pradesh 2050. It is possible. That is what I want to tell you. Ask yourself this question. Have I changed time or has time changed me? Every day before going to bed, if you think 1 minute and sleep, then you will have a bright future. All challenges are only an occasions, opportunities. How to convert challenge into an opportunity, it is with you. You are all youngsters. I want to see you one day in higher positions. Everybody in this world has born small baby, that is 2.5 3 kgs. Even name-wise, as Harshita Siddha has introduced me, I born in a village. Only 20 houses. There is no proper road, no power when I born. After that, one by one has come. That is a reality in life. How we are going to visualize your life, time and again. Even Abdul Kalam, you are having photo. I had a very good occasion to work with him. He prepared vision for the country. After I prepared vision for the country, he prepared vision for the country. I prepared vision for Andhra Pradesh. Great man. He is also a small man when he born. He is a great inspiration for all of us. That is how we have to visualize things and move forward. I am very happy. Again, I am telling you, another 30 years. You remember this. US 3. Here is the takeaway I want to give you. Technology is available to you. You are using your phone at home, at a vehicle, at food. How many changes are coming? How traceabilities, all these things are coming in today. Even I gave one app to my farmers. No need to go to pump set. From home with remote, you can operate. The beauty of technologies. Second one, promote continuously solar, wind energy, non-conventional. Third one, human resource development, skill upgradation continuously. Don't think I know everything. Learning and de-learning is a continuous process. Those who will learn continuously even after 60, 70, 80 years, they will be always fit for doing anything. This is another message I am giving you. There is poverty, there is problems. All these things are possible how to handle. Always you must have a concern to the society. Society is giving this type of status for all of us.